In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock on Panasonic Smart TV, and I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Check App Store. Press Home or Apps on the remote. Select Apps Market or App Store. Search for Peacock in the store. If it's listed, select Peacock, install it, and open and sign in. If it's unavailable, continue to the next steps. Step 2. Cast from phone, Android or iOS. Open the Peacock app on your phone or tablet. Connect both mobile device and Panasonic TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Then tap the Cast Chromecast icon or AirPlay and select your TV. Peacock will appear on the TV. Step 3. Use a streaming stick. Plug a Roku, Fire TV or Apple TV stick into an available HDMI port. Set up the device and install the Peacock app from its app store. Then sign in, and now you can stream Peacock from the external stick. Now I have some troubleshooting tips for you. Update your TV's firmware for the latest app availability, and if the app is still missing, streaming sticks guarantee compatibility regardless of the Panasonic model year. And that is how you stream Peacock on your Panasonic Smart TV. And here's a nice picture of my dog. He's very cute. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.